news from the courts, new details emerged in the bribery and corruption case of former Public Hospitals Authority Chairman Frank Smith today. Fern Carey tells us that one of the prosecution's star witnesses was cross-examined extensively during the proceedings.
It was a full court Thursday with former chairman of the Public Hospital Authority, Frank Smith, appearing for the continuation of his bribery and corruption case. He was supported by his wife, relatives, former Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Perry Christie, and other former parliamentarians. Minutes into the proceedings before Chief Magistrate Joyanne Ferguson Pratt, Crown Prosecutor Anthony Delaney requested he be allowed to see copies of any documents the defense will use while continuing to cross-examine the only witness for the day, cleaning company owner Barbara Hanna. But that did not sit well with the head of Smith's legal team, Jamaican attorney Keith Knight QC, who said he is not aware of any law that allows the defense to disclose to the Crown, and the Chief Magistrate agreed. Following discussions by all sides, the defense counsel agreed to show the documents to the prosecution. The cross-examination then got underway amidst numerous objections from the prosecutor. Hanna alleges she paid Mr. Smith $5,000 a month between April 1st of last year and April 30th of this year after she secured a contract to clean the critical care unit at the Princess Margaret Hospital. The Queen's Counsel showed the businessman copies of 3 checks, 2 of them for $5,000 made out to Hanna, and the third for $400 also made out to Hanna. Hanna explained she had gotten a loan back in August of 2016 from the lending company Toolant, which is owned by Smith's family. When pressed on the $400 check, Hanna said she recognized her name at the top but not a signature at the bottom. However, after looking at the check again, Hanna said it wasn't clear enough for her to recognize her name on the check. Knight then asked Hanna if she was borrowing money from Toolant while she was paying Smith $5,000 a month, and she said yes. When asked if the loan was in connection with what she owed Finco after they sued her in connection with her mortgage, Hanna refused to answer the question, saying it had nothing to do with the case. Crown Prosecutor Anthony Delaney also objected to the line of questioning on the basis of relevance. Knight then explained that he wanted to show, through cross-examination, the improbability of what Hanna said took place and the impossibility of it being true based on Hanna's personal circumstances. The trial continues before Chief Magistrate Joyanne Ferguson Pratt. Fern Carey, ZNS Network News.